Hi, today I'm for the VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the lock screen, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, we should press and hold for a while this fingerprint scanner, because with a simple touch we have no chance to unlock it. So we should hold it just for a few seconds, and after that you'll unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.